Good morning, students. All of you, open your EVS book. Students, this is your EVS book, and today we are going to do bird's name. All of you, open page number 11. All of you, see, this is page number 11, and you have to write here date. Write down 25-8-2020. C. Name the birds as per their respective serial number. Look at the first picture. Which bird is this? This is crow. It is of black color. Write down spelling of crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Which is a second bird? This is an owl. Write down O-W-L. Owl. See, which bird is this? This is parrot. It is of green color. Write down P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. See, number 4 is peacock. Write down P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. See, which bird is on number 5? This is an eagle. Write down E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Which bird is on number 6? This is hen. Write down H-E-N. Hen. Students, this is your class work and you have to do this work, homework. I am doing first one for you. What is written here? Number 5. Which bird is on number 5? Eagle. Write down E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Come to question number 2. Name the birds as per their respective serial number. Which bird is on number 6? C. 6. Hen. Write down H-E-N. Hen. Which bird is on number 5? Yes, this is an eagle. Write down E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Which bird is on number 3? Number 3 is parrot. Write down P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Which bird is on number 2? C. Owl. Write down O-W-L. Owl. Which bird is on number 1? C. Number 1 is crow. Write down C-R-O-W. Crow. Which bird is on number 4? Peacock. Write down P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Students, you have to do this work in a beautiful handwriting and you have to learn all these spellings. Thank you. Have a nice day.